Hello everybody, welcome to the Flock Friday Tips and Tricks. My name is Happiness and I'm the marketing assistant at Flock Eventing Platform. In today's video, we're going to be taking you through a few pieces of equipment that we recommend for all online event planners and speakers. Stay tuned, take notes, and let us know if you have any questions in the comment section below. Before we get to that list, we just want to remind you that it is incredibly important that your speakers use the correct equipment when presenting online. When you pick a speaker, chances are they already have a laptop, but we at Flock Platform recommend that you add other great pieces of equipment to their setup. This is just to ensure that your event is top-notch. Without wasting much of your time, let's get to that list. One of the main devices we always recommend speakers to have when presenting at an online event is a laptop. As an event organizer or company hosting an online event, it is important that you make sure your speakers are equipped with at least a laptop. Your speakers will need to use an up-to-date computer for live presentations. Speakers will also need to make sure they have backup devices available in case something goes wrong with the primary device. If your speaker is using a laptop instead of a desktop, make sure that it is properly charged and plugged in throughout the entire presentation so that it doesn't die out midway through the event. Your speakers may prefer to use other devices such as their mobile phones or their tablets, but we always recommend that they use a laptop. This is to ensure that they're able to share their presentation, they're able to engage with the attendees, and they're able to attend the entire event with ease. Number 2 on our list of essential equipment for online event speakers is an Ethernet cable. A good internet connection is essential for any live event. If speakers use Wi-Fi, there's always a possibility that it will go down during their presentations. If you want to be absolutely confident that your speakers' presentations won't be interrupted, plug them into an Ethernet cable for a steady stream of connectivity. When you host a physical event, people are usually too polite to criticize your technical setup. However, when hosting an online event, viewers are free to complain about the bad lighting, poor sound quality, or annoying background noises. This is where the following equipment pieces come in. Lighting is one of the most important aspects of online presentations. For this reason, we always recommend that your speakers use ring lights. Ring lights provide excellent lighting that eliminates shadows and can be adjusted to provide the best possible picture. This light can be purchased anywhere from online stores such as Amazon, Takealot, and photography stores. If a ring light is not available, your speakers can try stand next to a window so that the sunlight eliminates their face from the side. They should avoid standing directly in front of a window or having a window behind them, as this will create harsh shadows on their faces and cause a glare on the screen. If they stand in front of a backlit window, this will make it difficult for other people to see them clearly. The audio equipment for your online event can make or break the experience for your attendees. This is especially important if you're hosting a conference where there are multiple speakers. If one speaker's audio is poor and another's is great, your attendees will be frustrated, especially if they paid to attend the conference. A good microphone is essential for an online event. The built-in microphones on our computers and mobile devices leave a lot to be desired. For better sound, you need an external microphone. There are a lot of options out there to choose from, but you could spend a lot of money and still not get exactly what you're looking for. We recommend a few options such as the dynamic mics and a lavalier microphone. Dynamic mics are the ones with the funnel-shaped mouths that come to a point. They're great for singers and podcasters because they do an excellent job at minimizing background noise. Lavalier microphones are microphones that are attached to a speaker's shirts or ties, and they transmit direct audio to the computers with no background noise. Number 5 on our list are headphones or earphones. Your online event presenters should use headsets with a built-in microphone. This is in case they do not have another external microphone to use. Headsets are ideal because they allow speakers to hear themselves clearly while cancelling out background noise that may be troublesome to them and other participants. The reason why we recommend that you get headphones with a built-in microphone is because the microphones on your earphones will pick up your voice directly instead of having to use your computer microphone, which is less sensitive and picks up more background noise. Number 6 and the last recommendation on our list is a second screen or a backup device. You might want to make sure that your speakers have a second device as backup in case something happens to their primary device. Even if they don't plan on using the second device in the event itself, it can be useful to have it nearby in case of an emergency. Having a second screen for presenting during the online event is crucial. It allows the presenter or the speaker to monitor the chat, share presentations, and connect with the audience in real time. Plus, they'll be able to pay attention to more what's happening in the event and moderate the conversation as it unfolds. You do not need the top-of-the-range equipment to make your event a success. Your online event speakers should take care to ensure that the quality of the event is of the highest level for all the attendees. The equipment they use has a huge impact on the audio and the visual quality of the presentation and event as a whole. Thank you all for tuning into the Flock Friday tips and tricks. We hope that you all enjoyed this video. Please feel free to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, to share with other event planners, and to let us know in the comment section below if you have any questions. And don't forget to follow us on the different social media platforms. We hope to see you soon. Goodbye.